Hi, little chestnuts. Are you ready to learn about one of the most powerful piece on the chessboard? Let's dive into amazing world of Rook. By the end of this video, you will understand how the Rook moves and conquers the board like a pro. Let's get started. So Rook moves. Rook can move in a straight line up, down, left and right. So the Rook, how it can move? It can move up and it can move down, it can move right, it can move left. So it travels horizontally, that is called rank, and vertically, that is called file, as long as there is no obstacles in its path. So what is rank? So this is rank, it can move in rank. And where is file? These are all files, so it can move along with the file. On an empty board, Rook can cover 14 square in a single move. So Rook in e4, it covers 14 squares. So Rook can move here, 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 here. So we can calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 move Rook can cover with an empty square. Now see, in this position, it might have only 6 moves available because the own pieces blocked the path of Rook. Now you can see the 6 move. 1, 2, Rook can move. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 moves only available for Rook. Now in this position, Rook reaches the target square in one move if the square is along the same rank or file. So the Rook starts on g3 and want to reach g7. So where is g3? So g3 is here. Where is g7? g7 is here. So how it can move? Vertical move. So now g3, so straightly in single move it can able to reach g7. Let me talk about 2 more adventures. Now the Rook often reach its target square in 2 move using different path. So now we can consider target square where c5. So where is c? C is here, 5 is here. So Rook wants to go here in this location. So moving into vertical. So now g3 is here, it goes vertically into g5 and move horizontally into c5. This is vertical first. So the second example is horizontal first. So Rook is on g3. So it move horizontally into c3, then move vertically into c5. Now we can see this example. So this is like a multi-move path. So we have seen single move. We can see 2 path. So we gave example of 1 move. Directly it can go, and 2 path, whether it is horizontal or vertical, it can move. Now multi-path with some obstacles are there. So how? Now Rook is on h1 and Rook wants to go into, let's say, b6. So b is here, 6 is here. So Rook wants to go here. But pawn blocks square on c6. And one more pawn, the same pawn, white pawn, is blocked on b3. And one more knight is blocked the way in b5. So now how this rook reach into b6 square. This is the designated square. So h1 to a1, it is going horizontally. Then a1 to a6, second move. Then a6 to b6 is the final move. So like this it can able to reach, or it can go like this vertically and going here, and it can reach here. The rook is a piece of incredible strength and flexibility. It moves straight in any direction and can often choose from multiple paths to reach its designation. Knowing how to use rook power will make your game stronger and more strategic. Thanks for learning about the rook with us, little chess champs. Keep practicing these moves on your chessboard, and soon you will be using rook like a pro. Don't forget to tune in next time as we explore even more chess. Until then, happy learning, happy playing. See you soon.